We are going to catch you up to speed on the dumpster home here. And the first thing I want to show you is this Acre by Modern Mill. This is this new shiplap style siding. They have lots of different products. It's actually a rice husk that they make this out of. So it's kind of a natural material that doesn't have any disgusting toxic stuff in it. It's waterproof-ish. I think it's proof to resistant. I'm not really sure where the resistance and proof starts and stops, but it's a very durable material. Supposedly more durable than treated wood. It's different. This is actually the finished product. So this comes like this. It could stay like this. You can stain it. You can paint it, whatever you want, however you want that to go. So we've done this on the front side and the back side. And a huge shout out to Modern Mill for hooking us up with this stuff, because this stuff is about $5 a linear foot. So it's a little spendy, but it's beautiful. And I wish I had it on my own home. It's really nice. So next thing, our roof up here. In the next few weeks, we have a commercial contractor that's going to be putting a standing seam steel roof on this with us. We just got done with Skills USA, so they're going to help us put all that on and make it look pretty, kind of like the steel roof we did way back over there on that building, but this should be a little bit different. We actually have our door frame, our door jamb in. We're going to be putting a Dutch door on this, so we're actually getting a Dutch door that's going to be in here. And as you walk inside, we have these wooden panels. And so these wooden panels, instead of drywall, are going to go on with trim head screws. And then we're going to frame out the windows, trim all that out with finished carpentry. And then we have rock wool everywhere. And we are going to have our kitchen right here. So we're going to have all our kitchen cabinets, sink right over the window here. Our HVAC is all hooked up, ready to go. This is fired up, tested. It's been working. If it was plugged in and all that fun stuff. On this back wall, we have the rock wool off from when we were doing the HVAC with our HVAC students. And we have our sink that's just kind of sitting here as a placeholder so that we can do all the rough plumbing. This is our water heater that's back down here in the back corner. So for water here, we actually had the whole filtration system so we could recirculate water and do all that. But we may not do that. We actually have a tank, so this could drain out and be normal. But for display, we're going to have a pump that hopefully will recirculate to kind of display everything that the students have done if we took this somewhere. Weedy came out and got us all set up with our curb and our pan and all this fun stuff here with this shower setup. And really great rep that came out and showed us how to do this. And so we're actually going to build a wall and continue this kind of curve right here and finish that shower setup once we get it done. And then we were looking at possibly doing epoxy over the top of a weedy panel. So we've had a few irons in the fire on how we want that turn out, how we want that to be finished, so to speak, inside of here without having tiles. But this is kind of what we're looking at in there. Our electrical panel, we're going to have some smart breakers on the electrical panel here. We've got the Levitron where it's going to be all things that we can control from our phone. We have one of the electrical students that's top-notch that is figuring out. We actually have a washer and dryer, so you can see washer and dryer, receptacle, switch, GFCI. He's mapping everything out. He's calculating the watts and the loads and all the fun things that we need for this. So anyways, that's kind of, we've got an LED strip that's going down the middle. And you know what? Students are building this, so you can see some of these different things. And it's like, guys, when we're hanging this, let's try to go straight. But we have a new cohort that came in and that is doing things. And that's why there's some funkiness with the wall. So no judging, right? It's a learning process and our students have done a fantastic job. I could not build this better on my own. They have really worked hard and made this look beautiful. So we're happy with the results here and lots of brain power going into it. This is the floor that's going in it. One of our industry partners that does floors and staircases hooked us up with that. So we are going to put that in here. We have all our InsoFast foam. So if you haven't seen that before, behind here, that's our InsoFast foam, like you'd have a container to kind of the condensate, K value, R value, all that fun stuff. Everything's strapped, bolted to our gambrel style roof here. And we'll pretty much go show you the other side, and that should be pretty much it. The only thing I want to show you is on this Acre setup here. This is what it looks like. It has these screws, these trim head screws, and they have a reverse. So once they're in, them babies are in. And then they have little plugs, and then those plugs go in and basically disappear, which I'll show you on the other side. Here's one right here. And you actually have to get the grain of the plug to line up. And I think it's gonna look great. So there's gonna be kind of like a J channel, F channel, whatever that goes around this. All of our fascia will tuck into that. and finish that off with the steel roof, probably gray or silver, whatever our contractor gives us. They're bringing a crew and some material. And so that's kind of the front of that. It's gonna be ready to go here, I think pretty soon. We're actually gonna pull all this roll roofing off. It's just, or this water and ice shield's just on here to protect it for right now. On the back side here, so this is, you know, they had to redo this upper area. They cut this piece right here like 4 times, these poor guys, because they're putting in the flashing above the window, and it's like, no, it has to look like this. It has to be done like this. And so they spent a lot of time doing it. And then something fell on our HVAC unit, but it still works, supposedly. It was cool in there the other day. So, and by other day, I mean like months ago. And then here is our water heater back here. I can never open this. There it is. Water heater. It's actually been sitting out here so long. Look at how much that Florida sun has faded that little red ring that was there. But this is ready for propane. We've got all of our stuff for that. And we have to redo the HVAC drain because we had some issues with that. This was all beautiful, and we have to go back and redo that for the condensate drain. So that is really it. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, this was one of the drawings one of the ladies drew the first time we started making this a home. And I think now it will really take shape on kind of what we're looking at, what it's going to be. So this is actually a black stain on this jamb here. It's not painted. And so they were talking about doing that on the door too. So we're not sure what we're going to do with that. But next thing you'll see some cabinets, a roof, all the wall panels are cut for here. And that's really it. So until next time.